What's up guys, hope you're having a good day. If you're a fan of Chainlink or Bitcoin, you definitely need to watch this whole video because right now Bitcoin is breaking out of the ascending triangle that we've been talking about for the last 2 to 3 days and is heading towards 13,000. We will also do a price analysis of both Chainlink and Bitcoin, and I will give you my short-term price targets for both of them. Also, I'm going to show you some key supports that are really important for both Chainlink and Bitcoin to hold in order to continue this parabolic uptrend. Just quick to my new subscribers, thank you so much and welcome to the club. And if you are new here and you want to stay updated daily with the latest price analysis of Chainlink and Bitcoin and cryptocurrency news, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Also, we have some amazing Chainlink news that is incredibly promising for Chainlink's future. Chainlink continues hot streak as it outpaces Bitcoin in developer activity, and soon we will take a look at the Chainlink chart. If that sounds interesting to you guys, you definitely need to watch this episode. Welcome guys, my name is Andreas, and as I've said before, I've been in Bitcoin now for 3 years. I first started accumulating my first few Bitcoins in June of 2017, and I've been investing for a total of 4 years. So let's get right to it guys. Here is the Chainlink chart. The first thing I'm going to do is to put it on log chart because that's going to give us a more accurate picture. So let's just move this, put it on log chart. So now we have it on log chart. I think that's very important. So we're currently looking at the 4-hour chart guys, and this is really important. I think the 4-hour chart is really good for short term. When there's a lot of movement in the short term, the 4-hour chart is usually very good to look at. So what we need to do first is draw a trend line because the trend is your friend, and then we will analyze from there. Let's draw this trend line from here and let's move it up all the way to here. So as you can see, Chainlink has been bouncing nicely off the support and been creating this support line in this parabolic uptrend, and a lot of people right now are confused about what this is, and I'm going to explain and give my reasoning for why I believe that this is a bullish continuation pattern, and I'll explain to you right now what that is. Continuation patterns are simply patterns that signify a period of temporary consolidation before continuing in the direction of the original trend. As you can see on the chart, there have been many temporary consolidations with Chainlink. Here is a consolidation where there's going sideways, then it moves up, then it's consolidation, and then it moves up again, consolidation, and then it moves up again, and then consolidation, right? So to me, this is a continuation pattern, and I would give it 60% as of now that Chainlink will go up to the upside. And where will it go? Because I'll show you another thing right here, because what Chainlink is currently creating right here is a bullish flag, and that looks like this. We have lower low and lower highs. This is also very bullish, so this is a bullish thing for Chainlink. And then we would have to measure from the breakout point to here to get our next target. And our next target would be somewhere around, we could go as high as $25, I think, but most likely $23. But this is one of the key factors to look at this. This is the trend is your friend, and as long as Chainlink can stay above here and do not break this trend line, most likely Chainlink will move to the upside, because to me this is a continuation pattern. And when it's a continuation pattern, keep in mind it's short periods of consolidation to the side. Consolidation here, you have consolidation here, you have consolidation here, and you have the same right here. So this is a continuation pattern. That's what it looks like. And at the top here, this is a bullish flag. As you can see with the picture I just put up here, you can see this is a continuation candlestick bullish flag. So this is exactly what we're watching on the screen right here. As you can see, it goes up, down in its consolidation, and then you will get a bullish flag pattern, and then most likely it's going to move to the upside. To be honest, Chainlink could break out within the next 2-3 days. I give it a 60% to the upside, because there is also one more thing that you have to keep in mind. Even though this looks like to me as a continuation pattern, and as I've said, it looks like we're gonna head to around 23, maybe $25 if Chainlink doesn't break this support. But there is one thing, that's the other 40%, because this might be a Elliott wave as well, and it might be a longer one. So let's just remove all of this. And if this is a big Elliott wave, let's draw the trend line again. It's very important to draw the trend line, because the trend is your friend until it's not. But this is what I'm also seeing, this Elliott wave right here. This is a 1, this is a 2. An Elliott wave consists of 5 waves. This is number 3, number 4, to number 5. So if this is a big Elliott wave, not a big one, but if this is an Elliott wave, this might be the top, and this might be a fake out. It might not be a continuation pattern. It might be a fake out. Remember, TA is simply analyzing what you're seeing. Nobody can tell you the future, but what you can do, you can analyze it and give it a percentage. So for me, this is 60% a bullish continuation pattern with the bullish flag at the top. That might take us to $23, $25 within the next 2-3 days, but it also could be on the other 40-35%. It could be a big Elliott wave. That's, if that's the case, like I said, if we break through here, we won't have any support here because it's just a free fall, and then our next support would be $14-15 if this is an Elliott wave. And remember, TA is about analyzing what you're seeing, and to me this looks like a continuation pattern, but we could drop down to 14-15. So be careful, guys. That is what I'm saying. Don't get too hyped. There will be plenty of chances. Crypto is just getting started. We're just in 2020. Be patient. Dollar cost average in whatever project you believe in. Always dollar cost average. Don't get caught up in the hype. That's not going to do you any good. But like I said, I'll give this a 60% to the upside, 40% to the downside, and possibly we could move up to $30, $40, $50. You never know in these markets. Do I think that's likely? No, but we could reach a price of $30, $40. So that is my price analysis on Chainlink. So here we have the Bitcoin charts. If you guys go back and watch my previous episodes, you will see I've been talking about this perfectly shaped ascending triangle. I will draw it up right now. And also very important, when there are short-term moves, the 4-hour chart is usually an excellent chart to look at. But let's draw up the trend line right here of the ascending triangle. So let's draw the ascending triangle right here. It's a beautiful ascending triangle. Here you can see the breakthrough, and Bitcoin is currently breaking through. I didn't expect it to happen that fast, but this is like a clean cut textbook move that it's going out. What I believe is going to happen, I believe we're going to make a push up to 13,000, and then we're going to come down and test this line again. Let's measure from the breakout and 2 here, and then you drag it over here. If this is a true breakout, we should reach around 13,000, but you never know with Bitcoin. We could go to 14,000. But one thing that I think is really important is that over the next 2 to 3 days is that we can hold above this line of around 12,000, because if we can't hold above this line, we might go back into the triangle. That happens in a lot of cases. That does happen, and then hopefully we will bounce around. And if we do come back here down to the triangle, we would have to keep this support here at around 11,400. If we don't keep that support, then it's going to be a long way, and most likely we're looking at support at around somewhere around here at 10,000. But I do not think that's going to happen at all. What I do think is going to happen is that we're going to consolidate here. We might go up a little to maybe 12,700, and then we might come down and retest this line to make sure that it's supporting us, and then we're going to get the real breakout a little bit later in August and go all the way up to 13 or 14,000. So that is what I believe for the short term for Bitcoin, and it's looking very good for Bitcoin and Chainlink right now. So it's exciting times, guys. And that was it for this video, guys. I really do enjoy making these videos. I'm going to try and make these videos every day, and if you do enjoy my content, feel free to hit that subscribe button. That would really mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace, stay beautiful, and be humble.